Traveling is one of the most fun parts in life, but finding a hotel can sometimes be time-consuming and stressful. At Trivago, we're working on making this as fun as the actual traveling experience. There's so much information out there, and we're working on bringing it all together in a clear and concise way so that our users can find their ideal hotel quickly and easily, saving time and money.
Before exposing anything to our users, we use a combination of regression and exploratory testing. As soon as something is ready though, we can release it live to our users immediately.
A/B testing enables us to base our decision on real-life behavior of travelers all over the world. We are constantly trying out new features, which can be anything from changing a small detail like the color of a button to introducing completely new functionality to the website. Usually we take a data-driven approach when interpreting the test results, which makes it easier for us to decide whether a project needs to go back to the drawing board, requires further refinements, or is a success.
So in the future we want to create an environment that is more dynamic than what we have now. So we want to move in the direction of making real-time analysis and improving our algorithms and learning from the data in real time so we can give direct feedback to the user and make the website much more comfortable to use and appropriate and offer appropriate choices.
I work closely with the content marketing and communications department. So I pull data for example, for PR and tell them what travel behavior looks like right now and predict travel behavior for the future. For example, what the prices look like, how they change year on year, what are the favorite destinations of a country or even of a specific region.
Yeah, the hotel algorithm is actually a very interesting topic for a lot of people at Trivago because everyone or a lot of people have an opinion on how it's supposed to be constructed, and we at the business intelligence department take a lot of things into consideration. I mean, about the quality of the hotel and the content of the hotel, but in the end what we do is we follow a very data-driven approach, and we let basically the data decide and the interaction of the user with the website decide on where to rank a hotel or how to construct the algorithm.
For valid results, it's always important to have enough data and to have a reliable source, of course, and to be consistent in your methods. So if you want to compare something, for example, this year and last year, you should use the same method and the same kind of data to have reliable comparisons.
Yeah, I think big data is as a term relatively popular at the moment, but not always used appropriately. So for me, I think it's really the size of the data that counts, and in general, everything that you can still store and analyze on one machine is not really big data. At the moment at Trivago we are now storing around 300 terabytes of data in our server cluster here in Düsseldorf, which consists of 24 machines, and we're growing by 200 gigabytes per day.
Saluto all'Italia.